Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The competition promises to be fierce, with each participant bringing the unique strengths and stories to the forefront. Stay tuned for updates, behind the scenes, glimpses, and interviews as we follow their journeys. Who will rise above the rest and earn the coveted title? Let the Misters of Filipinas Lipas City 2024 competition begins. Official headshots of the Mr. of Filipinas Lipas City 2024 candidates. Get ready to meet the exceptional men who are vying for the prestigious title of Misters of Filipinas Lipas City 2024. And these candidates represent the true essence of Lipas City with their charm, spirit, and unwavering passion. Each of them has been carefully selected to compete, showcasing not only their physical attributes but also their dedication to community service, leadership, and personal growth. Cyrus Miguel Di Mayuga, Barangay 10. Cyrus Miguel Di Mayuga, hailing from Barangay 10, 21, stands 5'9", is a dynamic and passionate individual known for his community involvement and leadership skills. As an active resident, he dedicates his time to various local initiatives aiming to improve the quality of life in his barangay. Cyrus is recognized for his commitment to youth empowerment, often organizing events and activities that promote education and personal development. His charismatic personality and strong work ethic have made him a respected figure in his community. Cyrus' dedication to fostering sense of unity and progress continues to inspire those around him, making him a true asset of Barangay 10. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!